Hello viewers, today we're going to take a look at my Rheem performance water heater. So this is my first time doing a water heater video, so anyway, let's take a look at my Rheem performance water heater. So to start off, here's some information here. So it's telling us do not return this water heater to the place of purchase, which we got at Home Depot. If we're experiencing issues, we can call that number right there. Technicians are available 7 days a week. So for more information, just see your owner's manual as it states right there. Here's a look at the information on my water heater here. So feel free to go ahead and take a look at that. So anyway, our serial number is M511824071. Manufacture date is 20DEC 2018. Model number XG40S06 EC34U0. Capacity US gallons is 40. Input BTU 34,000. Natural gas. Gas pressure 4.0, max inlet 10.5, minimum inlet minus 5.5. Well, actually 5.5 minimum. And SI is Z21.10.1. CSA is 4.12014. Category natural draft. Anyway, here's some more information here. Got your flammable vapors there. Also, you got your danger symbol right there for whatever temperature you select. Anyway, here's the sealed burner access door information. Only should be done by qualified service personnel. So there we go. And then here's how it operates. So if we get no color, the control is off or the pilot is out. If we get 1, which is what we have now, that's the normal operation. Number 2, if we get red, it's either our thermocouple voltage is low, high temperature shutdown has occurred, temperature sensor failure, gas controller valve failure, or a flame sense error. So those are our other codes there. Also says here, if the status light is not blinking blue, relight the pilot. To light pilot, see lighting instructions on water heater. If status light blinks red more than one flash every 3 seconds, see use and care manual. So if you get blue, the normal operation is occurring. Or if you get red, that's a system problem. So anyway, there's the lighting instructions. If you want to pause the video, take a look at that. Feel free to do so. Also, there's your safety instructions right there. And here's a little info about it. So you guys can pause the video, take a look at that if you wish. Also, here's the safety relief switch right here. In case if the pressure should get too high, this should automatically engage and you'll see water come out here. So anyway, there's the tank right there. So, and also here's the exhaust system here. So obviously that goes out to the main exhaust, which heads outdoors. And also there's your hot water line out, and the blue one is your cold water line in. And we installed this on February 17th, 2019. So anyway, that's just a closer look at my Rheem performance water heater. So anyway, thank you guys as usual for watching the video. If you want to learn more about the water heater, or if you want me to go into more detail on a specific part you may be interested in, please comment down below, and we'll see you in another video.